Welcome back to my channel. This video is part 4 video of chapter 1. Under this I'll be covering the topic attitudes and approaches to work, life skills and quality of work life, where I'll be covering 3 topics under this heading. First topic, attitudes and approaches to work. Second, life skills for livelihood, and third is essential soft skills at workplace. So these topics will be explained in details and all explanations are taken from NCERT book. So let's start with the first topic, attitudes and approaches to work. As you can see, first point, the attitude towards work is not only about the work, it's also about how individual sees one's own work situation. अपनी सिचुएशन वो कैसे देखता है जब वो काम करता है. सेकंड, अपने सर्कमस्टांसेस कैसे संभालता है, हैंडल द सर्कमस्टांसेस, चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो पॉजिटिव हो, किस तरह से हैंडल करता है नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस को भी. थर्ड, हैंडल्स द डिमांड्स ऑफ द जॉब, जो भी डिमांड होती हैं जॉब की उनको किस तरीके से हैंडल करता है, पॉजिटिवली, नेगेटिवली, अंडर प्रेशर, विदाउट प्रेशर, एंड द वेरियस टास्क एंटेल्ड, जो भी उसको टास्क मिले होते हैं. सेकेंड पॉइंट, एन इंडिविजुअल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन और डिससेटिस्फैक्शन. जो होता है इंसान हमारा सेटिस्फाई है या डिससेटिस्फाई है अपने जॉब को लेकर, वो खाली जॉब पर ही डिपेंड नहीं करता है बट ऑल्सो जो काम कर रहा है उसके एटीट्यूड पर भी. पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड है, नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड है, हमेशा कंपैरिजन करता रहता है अपनी सैलरी दूसरों की सैलरी से. वो ये नहीं देखता है कि दूसरा इंसान कितनी मेहनत कर रहा है, कितना वर्क प्रेशर में है, पॉजिटिविटी से काम कर रहा है. तो ऑब्वियसली उस जो इंसान कंपेयर कर रहा है उसको डिससेटिस्फैक्शन तो होगा ही. तो इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि आप कंपेयर ना करें, अपने एटीट्यूड को पॉजिटिव रखें. उससे क्या है, आप अपना काम एंजॉय करेंगे और ऑब्वियसली आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगा. थर्ड पॉइंट, गुड हेल्थ प्रैक्टिसेस लाइक ईटिंग हेल्दी, डेली अच्छे से खाइए, हेल्दी डाइट लीजिए, बैलेंस डाइट लीजिए, अच्छे से सोइए, एंड जब भी फ्री टाइम होता है उसे अच्छे से यूज़ कीजिए. जो भी आपकी हॉबीज़ या मतलब जो आपको पसंद है वो करिए प्रोएक्टिवली, सो दैट यू विल फील हैप्पी एंड आप अपने काम पर भी अच्छे से ध्यान लगा पाएंगे. एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस विल हेल्प टू चेंज योर एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स द वर्क एंड विल मेक यू हैप्पी. लास्ट पॉइंट, एक्सप्लेन, डोंट टेक योर वर्क एज ख़त्म करना है बस मुझे अपना काम अभी या कैसे भी. अगर आप इन्जॉय नहीं करोगे अपने काम को तो ऑब्वियसली ये आप पर बोझ बन जाएगा. एंड व्हेन यू टेक वर्क एज अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, आप खुश होते हो अपने काम को लेकर तो आप अपने काम अच्छे से कर पाओगे. एंड जब आप अपने काम अच्छे से कर पाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली आपको जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन भी 100% मिलेगा. What are life skills? Life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life. Life skills हमारी ऐसी abilities हैं जो हेल्प करती हैं हमें पॉजिटिव बिहेवियर लाने में, ताकि हमारे जो भी डिमांड्स हैं एंड चैलेंजेस हैं डे टू डे लाइफ में उन्हें पूरा कर सकें एंड अच्छे से हम डील कर सकें विदाउट एनी स्ट्रेस. According to WHO, what are life skills? Life skills are thinking, coping, and social skills, which are abilities that can enhance people's interaction with others and with the environment, and which may even give rise to greater individual resilience in situations of adversity. This definition, you should learn it, it's very important. Now, let's study the importance. First point says that life skills helps us to deal with the demands and challenges of everyday life with positive outlook. Second, they are applied across the lifespan. It's not we only get in short span, but it is all through our life. Third point, they helps us to promote our life and protect our life, health and well-being in all situations. अब हमारी ये 10 skills हैं जो बहुत important हैं, that are given by expertise. First is decision making. आप डिसीजन कैसे लेते हो, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव टाइम में हो या नेगेटिव टाइम में हो. सेकेंड इज़ कोपिंग विद स्ट्रेस, हाउ यू डील विद द स्ट्रेस सो दैट यू कैन ओवरकम योर चैलेंजेस. मैनेजिंग इमोशंस, आप इमोशंस को कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, चाहे वो सैड इमोशन, चाहे वो हैप्पी हो, चाहे वो स्ट्रेसफुल हो. एम्पैथी, हाउ यू डील विद द अदर, हाउ यू एम्पैथाइज द अदर पीपल. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, आर यू अवेयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, व्हाट आर योर नेगेटिव points or what are your positive points. Interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills means skills which are in the other person and yours. So it is interpersonal, between two people. Effective communication. Are you good in communication skills? Critical thinking. Are you good in thinking critically? Creative thinking. Is your thinking creative? Problem solving. Are you able to solve the problems which comes when you do your work or in your life? So this finishes our 10 skills, life skills. Let's come to importance of life skills. Now you can see in the apostrophe commas it is written, life skills are experiential learning which helps people to acquire them. This means life skills are gained through your experience, and this always throughout the life, not for the short span of life. When you experience, you learn life skills. Importance. Helps to prevent unhealthy or negative behavior. It keeps you away from negative behavior. Second, it gives you positive outlook of your life, of your work. Second point is it enables people to behave in healthy ways, particularly in situations that challenges them. When challenges come, you will deal effectively with the help of your life skills that you have learned. Third point, it helps a person to function effectively and constructively in society. So you are able to function effectively and that too constructively in society. This will give you inner happiness and you will feel satisfied. Fourth point, it promotes health and development by bringing personal and social changes. When you learn life skills, obviously there are personal and social changes which will help you to be healthy and help you to in development of your life and yourself. Last point is it helps a person to function confidently and competently in their families and in society. When you have life skills, obviously you'll get confident. You'll become confident and competent too in your family and in society. Thus, it will help you to give you a positive outlook to your life. So this is the model which depicts how we can improve the life and prevent negative behavior in our life or at our workplace. If we have good knowledge, positive attitude and good values, this will lead to development of healthy life skills. And this mixture which actually will develop for psychosocial competence and behavior, this lead to positive health and development of one's being, and ultimately it will lead to all of these things, prevention of negative behavior. So you can happily, overcome the challenges, deal with the negative things confidently and effectively. Now let's start with last topic, essential soft skills at workplace. In the diagram you can see the 10 soft skills which are listed. You can also understand those. First is working productively. The worker applies effective work habits and attitudes in job, and these tasks require a lot of knowledge, having good skills and experience. Productivity is also influenced by enthusiasm, zeal and dynamism. Second is learning effectively. If you have good reading, writing skills, you have acquired a lot of information within the field which you're working, and you are able to use your learning tools and strategy effectively, efficiently. You have motivation which helps you to work hard, and you are keeping yourself updated about the latest developments. So you are learning effectively, which will actually help you to expertise in your own field, and at the end you will be the happiest person. Third is communicating clearly. If you have good communication, whatever you want to pass on, the other person is able to understand. This will actually help you to convey your information, ideas and opinions to the other person. Working cooperatively. You should have that skill of working with the team members, which can help you to perform tasks, solve the problems, resolve conflicts, provide information and offer support. So this will actually help you to make a good team, and thus work will be efficiently done. Next point is thinking critically and creatively. If you think critically and creatively, you will be obviously successful in your work. Other skills require include concentration, alertness, abilities to train, to delegate and to get others to do their work, forethought, vision, ability to multitask. So here we finish the chapter. Thank you for watching the video. Next video will be on Hindi explanation. Subscribe my channel, press the bell notification so that you keep updated about my video. And like the video, comment if you have any doubt. Tada, take care.